Welcome back to another quality video brought to you by ApplianceVideo.com. Today, we will show you how to remove and replace the door strike on this Samsung electric dryer. You will need the following tool to complete this repair. Stop. Before beginning any repair, always be sure to disconnect the power to the appliance. It is also recommended to test the outlet for proper voltage. To begin, open the dryer door. The door strike is held in by two Phillips screws. We'll start by removing the top screw. Followed by the bottom screw. Once the screws are removed, pull the strike straight out and set it aside. To install the door strike, set it in place. Start one of the screws by hand to avoid stripping the plastic threads on the door and strike. Tighten the screw using a Phillips screwdriver. Do not tighten the screw completely so you can properly line up the second screw. Now, install the second screw. Tighten this screw completely. Finally, return to your first screw and finish tightening it down. Once the strike is securely in place, close your door and this will complete your repair. Thanks for watching. If you found this information helpful, please like this video and subscribe to our YouTube channel.